Hey guys, it is me Obed, and I have been working on voice AI agents for almost 2+ years now. And one of the biggest issue I have faced or I have seen clients facing is that they want their AI agent to be available in their current PBX solutions. And if you don't know about PBX, so every big company, every company who is working on a scale, and they have, let's say, 100 or 200, 500 employees, they have to get a phone system in order to communicate within the departments, new calls coming in and things like that, right? So they always have some phone system already working in their business, right? And for me, I work with US market mostly, so their 3CX is like one of the famous PBX solutions you can think of. Even government sector use it, right, within the healthcare and all of that. So the biggest challenge I have seen is that how to make the agent available in the 3CX or the PBX, so that the transferring or call can be through extension numbers. Just like here, I have Mirko, which is assigned to 102, and don't worry, this is just a test system, so no calls will come through outside of the system, even if someone tries to make it, right? So 102 is the extension number of Mr. Mirko. Then for me, Obed, I am 103, and our AI agent, you can see, like, all of the others, they are not available, right? But the AI agent we have built, it is every moment available for the clients, right? And it is 104, and it will have like on their own number also if you want. So you can set it as whenever a new calls come in, if nobody is available, just redirect to the AI agent, or just redirect to AI agent. And if that lead or that user wants to talk to Mirko or Obed or any other user, AI agent can transfer the call to the uh, respective person, right? So now that is the solution I want to discuss in this video. And this solution is sponsored and, like, already being managed by 3CX. So that's why I am very excited about this video. So if you are not on 3CX, it might be new to you, but if you are on 3CX, it will be like really relevant for you. So you just have to go into your admin, and once you are in your admin, you have to go in the integrations. Here you will find the AI, and now here, first of all, you have to be on a certain level of agreement with the 3CX in order to like make this system work. Otherwise this feature is not available to like every 3CX user. You have to obviously purchase their premium license. So like that is like prerequisite for it. But the major thing is, if you validate your business with this and you get the license, I guess you can make a lot of money, right? And if it's not valuable for you, it's not the right time to upscale and get the license. Anyways, that's on the business side. Now let's talk about the functionality and how easy it is now in the 3CX to build your agents. Easy in sense just to building, but when you actually deploy it in the production, you see the level of challenges you face. Because I have been building a lot, so I know like what challenges are there and how to face. So I am creating a receptionist agent. The extension will be 105, and the department will be let's say test AI, even before that, I want to call the agent and talk with it. I can also test it by chatting also. Okay, so I will say hello agent, and it will reply me. So agent is typing, hi there, how I can assist you, right? I would just say, who are you? I'm the receptionist of the last studio, how I can assist. It's just like, just like any other agent, AI agent you have seen, but inside of your 3CX. So that's the exciting part. Now let's call it, and hopefully I am on speaker so you can also listen. uh, so basically I can just call, and any other new user who is calling to your company or business can also be redirected to this agent. Hello,
Hello.
anybody
Thank
there?
you for calling our law studio reception. How may I assist you today?
Hey, can you tell me your name and like what do you do in the company?
Of course. I'm an AI reception assistant here to help with directing calls, providing information, and
Yeah.
connecting you
Can
with the.
you can you connect me with a specific employee or user? I really want to talk to someone.
Of course. I'd be happy to help connect you to someone. Could you let me know the name of the person or their role so I can find the right person for you?
Can you connect me with Mirko? So now it is trying to connect to Mirko, but Mirko is not available right now and not registered. So obviously the call will not go through, and there is a hell lot of error handling and all of those things. So if the call is not getting connected, then what agent will say, all of these options. Now I will talk about how you can build this, right, and figure out the options. So integrations, AI, and also you have to set the OpenAI API key here. Also there is step-by-step guide, and you can just follow that. Add agent, a receptionist or a personal agent. I would go for receptionist. Now extension will be 105. Department, I would select test AI. First name, Obed, sys Obed agent. Okay, and yeah, voice you can select from here. Okay, and record calls you can select if you want to record or not. And then agent type, it will be receptionist. You can select a knowledge source. You can go here and create a knowledge base for your agent. Okay, now the English, it will be like multilingual, and you can select from a lot of languages. uh, and if you want to like one agent to be able to speak all different languages, you can select allow language switching. And then the welcome message is here. Agents instructions, you can customize the prompt. uh, I really follow script, so I would highly recommend to just delete everything and write your own prompt. If you don't know how to write, just learn about it and then write something which really matters to your company and your business. Otherwise, like filling out the prompt is not the best way to go about, particularly in the voice AI. Okay, I have seen lot of mistakes. That's why I'm able to telling you that, do not just fill out a template of the prompt and say like my agent is ready. It will be like, a disaster. Now spam action, if someone is spamming, it will automatically end call. And routing, now here you can add the routing. So I will just say extension, I will have all the employees. So I would say you can transfer to call to 103 Obed. And uh, that's how easy it is. Just transfer the call to 103. Okay, so calls 3 screening, and there's a lot of safety measures also inside the 3CX. So if the caller is abusive, so sometimes I have personally deployed these type of solutions, other competitors and they really do, right? So these uh, some people just don't respect other businesses, so they try to like call the AI agent and just abuse it and spam it so that their bill can increase, right? So like I don't know what's in their mind, but it's really a problem when you deploy a really nice agent for someone and that client just asked like if someone calls me 10 times I would still get charged if they are a fraud. I would say obviously, like, if you have a human employee and somebody calling in, uh, there is no way to stop them like right away. You can say like if a number is calling 10 times within 10 minutes, then take some action. These type of things can work, but there is no like straightforward way. It is just humanity. So if caller doesn't respond, so there are a lot of safety measures. That's why 3CX has already, I'm sure like 3CX has better consultant than me, so they already know like this problem exists, so they provided you with some of the solutions. Okay, so you just save it. You are working for UB programmer consulting company, and I was save, and here is the Obed agent. Uh, you know, we just created, right? Okay, so I guess now you can just play around it and figure out the best voice, figure out the best prompt, figure out the best language you want your agent to communicate in. All of these things, these are already present in uh, Retell AI, Vapi, Synthflow, Blend AI, 11 Labs, even Grok AI, XAI has also launched their product. So all of these things are there, but this video specifically I made it for 3CX users only, or any type of PBX solutions, because businesses are not like running on one or two or three phone devices. There are a lot of devices getting connected, and your agent has to be an insider, not an outsider. If you know, you know. Okay, so that was it, and I hope you like the video. And now if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to the email or WhatsApp, and me or my team will respond, and we will see if there is a match, we can work together. And also you can join my school community, which is absolutely free. You can join the group and ask your questions, and I will make sure that you get your answers within like 24 hours. If you have some doubts, you can also post in here. Okay, so yeah, that was it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will try to make a lot of content for anything related to AI. Okay, so thanks for watching.